Every Halloween, at exactly midnight, someone rings Mr. Carter's doorbell. For 30 years, he never opened it. People thought it was kids playing a prank. But last Halloween, his new neighbors convinced him. "Come on, open it, it's just kids." He turned the knob, and there she was, a woman in a tattered orange Halloween dress. Her eyes empty, glassy, her shoes muddy like she had walked through decades of darkness. And in her hand, she held a photograph. It was him standing at the door, taken tonight. Some doors shouldn't be opened.